Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my viewers. Your Chef Shaikh is again today with another new recipe, making a prawn with crab meat. And today is a very quick dish and very delicious and very easy to make. And if you like seafood, it's gonna be very delicious. So shall we start now? Okay guys, we put pan. Right. First, we're gonna put some butter in there. Not gonna use much butter. And I'm using one red onion. Chop small pieces for that. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just slightly brown this one, onion. Okay guys, it's onion is a little bit brown now, so I'm gonna put ginger a little bit, just a half a spoon, and just less than half a spoon is I'm putting garlic. I'm putting some turmeric powder. Just less than half a spoon, and quarter spoon garam masala, and putting some crushed red chili. Yeah, I'll put some a little bit more butter in there. This pinch of salt and black pepper, about half a spoon. I'm going to mix this together. Now straight away I'm putting prawns in there. Now I'm slightly just half a spoon. I'm gonna put tomato paste in there. And mix it together. Okay, well guys, now I'm gonna put crab meat. Okay, guys, we're gonna leave this for cook about 10 minutes. And I think I needed some more salt. Just put just a pinch of salt. Okay friend, for just flavoring, I'm gonna put this mixed herb on. I just put half of a spoon mixed herb, so it's for flavoring. It's come very nice, given very nice flavors to prawns. Okay, now I'm gonna put green onion in there. Mix all. it's nearly ready. It will get ready in within 10 minutes. Okay guys, now it's ready. In the end, I'm gonna put some tomatoes. What I did, I took the seed out from there. Okay, and now I'm gonna put some parsley. So guys, our dish is ready. Okay guys, this is ready. So now I'm gonna take it out in a dish. So you will see. Our prawns ready. Now I'm gonna put some bread on here, and I'm gonna put some garlic olive oil on. For serving with this. Okay guys, this is our bread is ready from both sides. Okay, now we're gonna take it out in a dish. Okay guys, this is my prawn with the crab meat. So what do you think about it? And believe me, it's very delicious. You should try this. If you like it, please share with the video with your friends and family, and tell me about my dish in the comments section. But you should try this. Yeah, it's very nice and delicious. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe.